Hey, this is David again with the Shepherd School, and I'm out here at Clarksville Guns and Archery, which if you follow my blog, you know it's one of my favorite gun stores. We're here doing an instructor class, and I just found out that they are now a blue line label dealer for Glocks, and we're going to talk a little bit about with Mr. Driver, who's the gunsmith here at this store, about what that actually means and what benefits you would have of getting a blue label gun. So can you tell us a little bit about the Glock program?
Absolutely. The Glock Blue Label program is a program put on by Glock that they only allow certain distributors in certain areas to allow this discount for law enforcement, military, even firefighters, EMTs, that sort of thing. And what it is their way and our way of thanking you guys for your service. They actually give you guys quite a bit of a discount. And what I mean by quite a bit of a discount is on our Gen 4 Glocks that we sell here, usually on retail side they run around $600. Now with the Glock Blue Label program, if you are law enforcement and military, you're looking at, for like a Glock 19, something like along that lines, you're looking at about $425 instead. So it's a great program, especially if you are law enforcement. Something like that. Save you a little bit of extra money, and again, our way to say, hey, thank you for your service, thank you for helping us out.
That's nearly what, $150, $175 off. That's a good thank you. So it's for law enforcement, military. Who else is qualifies to get a blue label?
On the credentials that they sent to me was sworn law enforcement officers, including federal, state, county, and city. And it also includes retired law enforcement with the retired credentials. EMTs, firefighters, volunteer firefighters, and paramedics. Correction officers, including parole officers and probation officers. State licensed security companies, licensed armed security officers, court judges, district attorneys, and deputy district attorneys. Also, as well as if you just joined the law enforcement, you're law enforcement academy cadet, you're covered in that as well. So it covers a lot of people. One thing I do want to mention, one thing that is kind of a misconception, it covers retired military, not just if you get out on an honorable discharge. You have to be retired.
And is there any sort of limit? I mean, what does it say you could only have this kind of Glock, 40 and 9 millimeter?
They have pretty much every Glock that they offer, they do have on the program, for the most part. The only stipulation is if you are if you fall under that category to be an LE distributor, you're limited 2 guns per year, so you can't stock up on 100 Glocks that way in 1 year. So I mean, they do put a little bit of limit on there, but and then GSSF members, if you shoot the GSSF match, you're on your second year of renewing your membership, you are allowed to buy 1 a year on that.
So basically any public service, law enforcement, paramedic, correction officer, security, they can buy 2 of these at a deep discount twice a year. And GSSF, the shooting sports, they can buy 1 a year.
Yeah, so even if you don't fall under the category of being law enforcement or military, you can get you a GSSF membership, go out, shoot, have a lot of fun at the GSSF matches, and then on your second year of being a member, you can jump in on the program as well.
Speaking of that, I heard a rumor downstairs. Are y'all doing GSSF?
We are. We're running one competition, one shoot a month. It's a series of 3 shoots per match.
Awesome. Yeah, we went down and looked at their new range too. So if you're in the Clarksville area, you really ought to check these guys out because they've got great classes, great equipment, indoor range, master Barrett dealer, which I don't know how many of those are, but it ain't a lot. So anyway, like I said, this is one of my favorite gun stores, and I like coming down here every chance I get. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dave.
Hey, thank you.